are you today? I just thought I will go over some of the things that you guys need to do to keep your teeth really nice, because you want to be old and still have your teeth. The first thing we want to do is brush your teeth. You're brushing twice a day, every single day, in the morning and in the night. When you brush, make sure you brush all the way to the back and your tongue, because if you don't, it might smell really bad. Other than brushing, we also ask you to rinse, hopefully with fluoride. Other than brushing and rinsing, Mom and Dad might take you to the dentist once every 6 months.
My name's Linda Johnson, and I'm the registered dietitian at La Comunidad Hispania. And today we've been talking about taking care of our teeth and what things are healthy for dental care. Dr. Preetha's been talking about how to take care of your teeth and regular dental checkups, and I'm talking about healthy snacks for your teeth. It's very important what you choose to eat between meals so that you don't get cavities and have healthy teeth and gums. When you eat between meals, it's important to have things that don't have a lot of sugar on them, that aren't very sticky, that'll stick to your teeth throughout the day and cause cavities. Some things that we will be making today are a hummus that has chickpeas, garbanzo beans in it that we can dip in some vegetables that provide vitamin C and other vitamins and minerals and fiber, not a lot of sugar, whole grain crackers, again, things that don't have sticky sugar in them that are going to sit on your teeth all day and cause cavities. Some other healthy choices would be to have some cheese with the crackers. Cheese is a milk product and it gives a dairy product, and it gives us vitamin D and calcium and things to help make healthy, strong bones and teeth. Another choice for an in-between meal snack would be to have some fruit, an apple, or some mandarin oranges, clementines, or some fruit to include between meal times. Always be sure when you are choosing these snacks that if you have braces, you want to be sure that you don't have anything that's too hard to chew that might break off pieces of the braces, and make sure you know what those lists of foods are to avoid from your dentist who's taking care of your braces. Other option for a healthy snack might be some yogurt. Again, yogurt is a dairy food and it gives you some calcium and vitamin D. Choosing a yogurt that doesn't have added sugar keeps it from having sugar on your teeth between meals as well. Some things that we don't want to eat in between meals are things like sticky candies, sticky fruit snacks, sticky candies, raisins, things that are going to sit sugar on our teeth all day when we're not able to brush. And it's always important after meals and snacks to try to brush your teeth following the meal or the snack. As far as things to drink during the day between meals, the best thing to choose is water. Water doesn't have any sugar in it, so if you're sipping on water in between meals or with meals, it's not going to leave a sticky coating on your teeth. Be cautious and careful with things like soda and iced tea that have a lot of sugar in them. When you sip on them throughout the day and in between meals, they're going to leave sugar on your teeth and lead to cavities and poor dental health. We are going to be showing you how to make a smoothie today that has some milk in it, which is also good to provide some calcium and vitamin D, and you can add in some fruits and things that are going to give you vitamin C. Again, that's good for healthy gums. So we'll be making the smoothie and the hummus and showing you how to do that at home. When you go home, it's good to ask your parents or your family, the household members, to help you make some goals for healthy snacks. Things like how many times this week can we choose fruit for a snack, or how many times this week might we choose something like nuts and seeds as a healthy snack between meals. So when you go home, those are things you can help plan with your family. When you're choosing some healthy snacks for in between meals when you're at home with your family, another option is something that will give you some calcium and vitamin D that we get from taking dairy foods such as milk. And that is good for the bones of the body and the bones of the teeth as well. So this is going to be a smoothie, something to drink that won't be sugary and coat your teeth with sugar. It'll give you some vitamins and fiber from the fruit, and it will also have some calcium and vitamin D from the milk. So we're going to use our blender again to make this snack. So get the help of someone in the family, mom, dad, household member that's old enough to help you operate the blender. And you're going to start with 1 cup of milk. It's good to choose skim milk, low-fat milk. Are options to use that are good choices for your dairy foods. So put in 1 cup of milk. Now the fruit I've frozen ahead of time, so you're going to take 1/2 cup of blueberries. Freezing them helps to make a good smooth, good cold smoothie for you. And then 1/2 cup of bananas that have been frozen. Sometimes when you make a smoothie, you might add some ice, but adding the frozen fruits makes it nice and cold and a good consistency. So we're going to turn on our blender and mix. And again, it'll probably take about 30 seconds for this to be a great consistency. And then your smoothie is ready to drink as an in-between meal snack that again is healthy for your teeth. Not a lot of sugar. Tasty and cold, especially in the summertime. You can try all sorts of options. You can use different fruits like strawberries, cherries. You can add flavors like cinnamon or some spinach in there to get some vegetables during your day. Really try whatever things you like to try in your smoothie.
Every 6 months, mom and dad will probably take you to the dentist. Now, when you go to the dentist, it's a fun visit. You get to sit on this very fancy chair that goes up and down. And what the dentist does is going to count your teeth. And we hope you have all of them, because sometimes you might have lost some. After you count the teeth, you polish them with a speedy toothbrush. It makes a lot of noise, but it is a lot of fun. It tickles. And then once it's nice and clean, the dentist probably is going to paint your teeth with some fluoride, which is vitamins for your teeth. Makes them really nice and strong. He might also ask you to go to a specialist because you might need braces.
Another healthy snack that you can make at home is some hummus and some vegetables and crackers, whole grain crackers. It's a good healthy snack for in between meals because it doesn't have sugar that'll stick to your teeth. It also has some vitamin C if you have the dip along with some peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers, whatever kind you like. It'll be a snack that's got a lot of fiber in it that's good for your body as well. So whole grain crackers and carrots, all foods that have a lot of vitamins and minerals that you may have learned about, as well as fiber, as well as that vitamin C that's really good for the gums in your mouth. So the first thing you're going to do is, with the help of your mom or dad or family member, household member, you're going to need a blender. And you are going to start with some garbanzo beans, also sometimes called chickpeas, and that's what hummus is made from. So if you've ever had some hummus from the store, that's what we're going to make today from the ingredients that you need. So the first is the garbanzo beans, and you're going to have 1 cup of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. You're going to have 1/2 cup serving of ranch dressing. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of warm water. You're going to put the lid on the blender and mix it until it's nice and smooth. Probably about 30 seconds, half of a minute. You can always stop. Make sure it's completely stopped. Take off the lid and see if it looks nice and smooth. And then you have your hummus, which you can serve with whatever vegetables you like. Could be tomatoes, could be cucumbers, celery, or some of the ones that we have here, again, that have some vitamin C in your peppers, or some whole grain crackers, and you can dip in your hummus. If you don't finish it, you can keep it in the refrigerator for a couple of days and continue to enjoy it as a snack between mealtime. That will be healthy for your teeth and gums.
So when you go home today, how many times do you need to brush your teeth? Another thing you can ask your parents when you go home is when you're going to see the dentist the next time.